Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a bad headache.
I am sorry to hear that.
Do you have any medicine for pain?
Yes, we have a few options.
What do you recommend for me?
Aspirin or Tylenol is very good.
I prefer Tylenol, please.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I do not have allergies.
Okay. Do you want a small bottle?
Yes, a small bottle is fine.
Here is the medicine for you.
How many pills should I take?
Take one pill every 8 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, it is better with a meal.
Does it make me feel sleepy?
No, this medicine is non-drowsy.
That is good. I have to work.
Do you need anything else today?
My throat is also a bit sore.
We have some honey cough drops.
Are they effective for the throat?
Yes, they help a lot with the pain.
I will take 1 pack of those.
Do you have a fever too?
No, I think it is just a cold.
You should drink plenty of water.
I will. Thank you for the tip.
Is there anything for your stomach?
No, my stomach feels okay.
Good. The weather is very cold today.
Yes, New York is freezing right now.
That is why many people are sick.
I need to be more careful.
Do you have a prescription for later?
No, these are just over the counter.
Perfect. Let me scan the items.
How much is the total, Lisa?
The total is $15.
Here is my credit card.
Please, insert your card now.
Is the payment approved?
Yes, it is complete. Thank you.
Can I have a small bag?
Yes, here is your medicine.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Hello. Welcome to the New York Hotel.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation for today.
What is your last name, please?
My last name is Miller.
Let me check the system.
Is everything okay with my booking?
Yes, I found it. A room for 3 nights.
That is correct.
I need your ID and a credit card.
Here is my passport and my card.
Thank you very much.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Where is the breakfast served?
It is served in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
What time is the breakfast?
It is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
That is perfect for me.
Do you have many bags?
I have 2 bags and 1 backpack.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, thank you. I can carry them.
Your room is on the 10th floor.
Does it have a good view?
Yes, you can see the city skyline.
That sounds amazing.
Here is your room key.
Which way is the elevator?
The elevators are right behind you.
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free and fast.
What is the password?
The password is New York 2026.
Is the room quiet?
Yes, the windows are soundproof.
Good. I need a good rest.
Is there anything else you need?
Where is the nearest gym?
We have a gym on the 2nd floor.
Is it open 24 hours?
Yes, it is always open for guests.
Great. I like to exercise at night.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you for your help, Lisa.
You are welcome. Have a nice evening.
What is the checkout time?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
Okay, I will remember that.
Have a wonderful stay, Mark.
Thank you. See you later.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Hello. Welcome to our store.
Hi. Good morning.
How can I help you today?
I am looking for a new shirt.
What color do you prefer?
I like blue or white.
We have this beautiful blue shirt.
It looks very nice. Can I see it?
What is your size?
I think I am a medium.
Here is a medium blue shirt.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is there.
Thank you very much.
You are very welcome.
This shirt is too small.
Oh, I am sorry. Do you need a large?
Yes, please. A large size.
Here is the large blue shirt.
This one fits perfectly.
It looks great on you.
Do you have black pants too?
Yes, we have many black pants.
Where are they located?
They are right behind you, over there.
I see them now. Thanks.
What is your waist size?
My waist size is 32.
Here are the pants in your size.
Can I try these on too?
Yes, please go ahead.
These pants are very comfortable.
I am glad you like them.
How much is the shirt?
The shirt is $25.
And how much are the pants?
The pants are $40.
That is a total of $65.
That is correct, sir.
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, we have 10% off.
That is excellent news.
Your new total is $58.
Perfect. I will take both items.
Do you want to pay with cash?
No, I will pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card here.
Is the payment okay?
Yes, it is approved. Thank you.
Can I have a shopping bag?
Yes, here is your bag.
Thank you for your help, Lisa.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you soon.